Hi friends, let's trace and color numbers 1 to 10 together. It is going to be so much fun. Welcome to our numbers classroom. Today we will count, trace and color. Water. Are you ready, Tatund? Let's start with our very first number. Look, this is the number 1. Can you say 1? Beautiful. Let's trace it. Go straight down. Yes, just like that. Let's color it pink. Keep coloring. Wow, so colorful. You did it. 1. This is the number 2. Can you say 2? Wonderful. Let's trace it. Curve around and go straight across. Great tracking. Curve and slide. Yat. Now let's color it blue. Make it bright. That is gorgeous blue. You did it. 2. Excellent. Look, this is the number 3. Can you say 3? Fantastic. Let's trace it. Curve in, then curve in again. Perfect loops. Around and around. Now, let's color it magenta. Fill it in. It looks like sunshine. You did it. 3. Super counting. This is the number 4. Can you say 4? Perfect. Let's trace it. Go down and across, then straight down. Super alignment. Lift and down. Now let's color it green, just like grass. So pretty and bright. You did it. 4. You're so smart. Look, this is the number 5. Can you say 5? Outstanding. Let's trace it. Go down, curve around, then put a line on top. Beautiful curve. Top it off. Now let's color it. Keep going. That is a happy color. You did it. 5. You did great. Look, this is the number 6. Can you say 6? Marvelous. Let's trace it. Slide down and make a loop. Smooth movement around the loop. Now let's color it silver. It looks beautiful, that is, sir. You did it. 6. What a superstar. Look, this is the number 7. Can you say 7? You are amazing. Let's trace it. Slide across, then slide down. Sharp lines. Across and down. Now, let's color it brown. Paint the edges. Warm brown wood. You did it. 7. Keep it up. Look, this is the number 8. Can you say 8? Incredible. Let's trace it. Make an S, then close the loop. Excellent curve control. Up and connect. Purple. Keep on painting. Like a clear sky. You did it. 8. So much fun. Look, this is the number 9. Can you say 9? Yes, just like that. Let's trace it. Make a circle, then go straight down. Round circle. Straight down. Now let's color it dark green. Yeah. Rich pine green. This is the number 10. Can you say 10? Magnificent. Let's trace it. Trace the 1, then make a big 0. Double tracing action. Finish the 0. Now let's color it red. Bright cherry red. That looks complete. You did it. 10. You reached the top. All are beautiful numbers. Let's count them together. Challenge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We counted all the way from 1 to 10. You're a superstar counter. What a wonderful job today. You traced and colored all your numbers perfectly. Press the subscribe button for more fun adventures. See you next time. Goodbye.